Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kishore. I'm consultant diabetologist practicing in Dilsukh Hyderabad. I'm director of Mahima Diabetic Center, which is in Dilsukh. As a diabetologist, I'm here to give some awareness about the few parameters which patient has to be aware of, which will help him to fight against many comorbid conditions like diabetes and cardiovascular risk factors. Especially coming to as a diabetologist, I normally insist on ABCDs of diabetes. That is, A stands for A1C, HbA1c, that is 3 months blood sugar, which patient should monitor to come to know whether his diabetes is under control or not. And as everybody knows, it should be under 7%. B stands for blood pressure, and according to new international guidelines, it should be less than 130/80. And C, most importantly, it is the cholesterol. Coming to cholesterol, nowadays dyslipidemia is a hot topic with which everybody is dealing with, and now many new molecules compared to the older conventional molecule like atorvastatin have been added in the market, and especially statin like rosuvastatin is also in the market now. Especially in a diabetic patient who come to me for dyslipidemia, I normally see high triglyceride level, which is directly related with with diabetes. Once his diabetes is under control, his normally his triglyceride level and cholesterol level comes to normal, but obviously with the help of a maybe a statin and a fenofibrate. And what I have practically seen is, along with medication, people should follow the lifestyle change, that is, they should be more active. And I come across a very small reason of not to be active, like, sir, we are much busy in our life, we can't take walking as in our normal day-to-day life. For them, I have a very good tip. So what I tell to them is, let me show you. If they don't have some much time, if they can make a space of 10 feet distance, and I tell my patients to let them walk in the number 8, and if they walk in this manner for 30 minutes, and studies have shown it is almost equivalent to almost 1.5 hours of walking outside, because you are much focused on what you are doing, that is walking. And 30 minutes of walking at any point of day, irrespective of food or irrespective of age, they can do it, and at their own ease. So bottom line is, patient should be more active, that is, lifestyle changes should be more made, and apart from that, proper medication and proper follow-up will definitely help the patient to lead a good quality of life.